Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more function for Python, which is gamma. Gamma function is mainly used to calculate the gamma value for a particular angle, or you can say for a particular past parameter. So here, to use this function in program, first of all, we need one module. So to import that module, you can see on line number 7, I am writing import math. So what is math? Math is a math module in which this function gamma resides. Now once your module is imported, then you are good to use this function. So here I have noted down three special scenarios which will explain the process of using this function. So for the first scenario, I am passing the value as 1. So when you pass 1, and the syntax is like this, you just need to use one variable, which is result variable, equal math dot gamma, and then inside gamma function I am passing the value as 1. So it will calculate the gamma at 1, and whatever the output it will return would get stored into this result variable, and then we are printing this result. Now to verify the output, I will run this program. So to run this program, I will slightly scroll it up, and here I will write python space session 87.py, and if I hit enter, you can see it is printing the output as 1.0 for the first scenario. Now look at the second scenario. In second scenario, I'm passing the value as 10. So the output it is calculating right now is bit change. Previously it was something. So let me remove this one, and you can see it is printing 36288. This is the output. Okay. This is the output 38 something. And if you look at the third scenario, in third scenario what we are doing, we are not passing the value directly. Instead of that, we are storing the value into one x variable, and then we are passing this x variable to this gamma function. So it would get calculated, and the stored then it will store the output into this result variable. And here on line number 23, we are printing the value with print function. Okay, so this is how we can easily utilize this gamma function whenever it is needed, and wherever it is wherever there is a requirement to calculate the gamma for a particular value. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.